Today, I will be explaining you an important reform in Indian sports, the National Sports Governance Act 2025. Until now, sports in India were guided by the Sports Code of 2011, but that was not a law, only a guide. Now, for the first time, we have a proper legal framework that makes sports governance stronger, transparent, and more accountable. So, what's in this act? Let us understand step by step. The National Sports Board, that is the NSB. This will be the top body that oversees all national sports federations, whether it is cricket, hockey, athletics, or any other sport. It will grant recognition, renew, or cancel licenses of those federations. More importantly, it will ensure good governance, ethics, and safety in sports. National Sports Tribunal. So many of you know how sports disputes drag on for years in courts. This new tribunal will act like a special sports court with the power of a civil court. It will resolve disputes quickly and appeals can directly go through the Supreme Court if needed. Representation and ethical governance. Ethical means fair. Now, sports bodies cannot just be run by politicians or administrators. This law makes it compulsory that at least two athletes of merit and four women must be in every sports federation's executive committee. So, leaders cannot hold their positions forever. There are term limits and cooling off periods. This ensures fresh ideas, fairness, and athlete friendly policies. Right to information, that is, transparency through RTI. A big change is that now all national sports federations, including the BCCI, will come under the Right to Information Act, that is the RTI Act. This means the public has the right to know how decisions are made, how money is spent, and how selections happen. Now, why is this act important? Legal backbone to sports governance. It gives legal strength to Indian sports, reducing unnecessary court cases. BCCI under regulation. It brings even powerful bodies like BCCI under accountability. Olympic aspiration alignment. It aligns with India's dream of hosting the 2036 Olympics, showing the world that India is serious about transparent and world class sports governance. In simple words, this act will make Indian sports cleaner, fairer, and stronger. It is about giving more power to athletes, ensuring fair play, and preparing India for global leadership in sports. Thank you. That's all for today. Do like, share, and subscribe for more such videos.